In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly cancel an envelope in your Docusign account. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy guides. Once you log into your Docusign account, head over to the Manage tab at the top of the page. Depending on your plan, this may also appear as agreements, but it serves the same purpose. Here, you'll see all your envelopes neatly organized into categories like waiting for others, sent, or in progress. Find the envelope you want to cancel and click its name to open the details. On the top right corner, click the More button, then choose Void from the drop-down menu. You'll now be asked to provide a reason for cancelling. Keep it short and clear since this message will be sent to all recipients. Finally, confirm by clicking Void Envelope. That's it. Your envelope is officially cancelled and all participants are notified. Always double check before voiding just to make sure you're cancelling the right one. If this video helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.